Are you trying to download files on Telegram, but they refuse to download? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you a simple way to fix this problem step by step. So let's get started. First, open your Telegram app. Now tap the three lines at the top corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on settings. If you can already see the settings option at the bottom of your screen, you can tap it directly. So inside settings, you will see many different options, but for this tutorial, look for data and storage and tap on it. So once you are there, make sure the automatic download settings are turned on. Check the available options and enable them if they are turned off. This helps Telegram download the files properly when needed. Now pay close attention to this next step because it is the most important part. So open Google Chrome and any browser on your phone. So tap the search bar and search for Telegram Lite proxy. So open the first website. So when the website opens, scroll down a little. You will see different proxy servers listed there. Choose any of the available proxies and tap on it. You can see different countries. So it doesn't matter any countries that you go for. So just tap on anyone. So a pop-up message will appear. So tap OK. The proxy details will automatically open it in your Telegram app. Now simply tap Connect Proxy. Wait a few seconds for the connection to complete. That is it. Go back to Telegram and try downloading your video or file again. In most cases, it should start downloading normally immediately. Simple as that. If this video helps you, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming tutorials, more Telegram tips, tricks, and solutions. Also, if you want to learn how to download restricted videos from private Telegram channels, check out the video showing on your screen right now. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I will do my best to help. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.